The voice behind the curtain. What is voiceover work? You hear it every day whether you realize it or not. On commercials and video games, narrating documentaries, and even in the apps you use. That, my friend, is voiceover work. It's the art of using your voice to tell stories, sell products, and inform audiences. It's a booming industry, and you don't need a Hollywood agent to get in on the action. With the rise of digital media, opportunities are everywhere. Voiceover work is about using your voice to bring projects to life. It's about creating a connection with the listener. It's more than just reading a script, it's about conveying emotion, tone, and personality. Your voice becomes the character, the narrator, the guide. And the best part? You can do it from anywhere with a decent microphone and some hustle. Whether you're in a professional studio or a makeshift home setup, the possibilities are endless. Sound good? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of voiceover work together. Finding your voice. Essential skills for success. Think you got what it takes? First things first, you need a good voice. That doesn't mean you need a radio announcer's baritone. It's about clarity, articulation, and the ability to convey emotion. You also need to be comfortable reading scripts naturally. Practice makes perfect. Record yourself reading anything. Pay attention to your pacing, tone, and breathing. And don't be afraid to experiment. Find your niche. Building your studio essential equipment for voiceover work. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, having the right tools can make all the difference in the quality of your recordings. Don't worry, you don't need $1 million studio to get started. In fact, many successful voiceover artists began their careers with just a few essential pieces of equipment. You can get going with some basic equipment. The key is to focus on quality over quantity. First, you'll need a good quality microphone. This is arguably the most important piece of equipment you'll invest in. A USB mic is a great starting point. It's easy to use and doesn't require additional audio interfaces. Next, invest in a pop filter to reduce those pesky plosives, those popping sounds from saying words with P sounds. This small addition can significantly improve the clarity of your recordings. You'll also need a quiet recording space. Background noise can be very distracting and can ruin an otherwise perfect take. A closet or a small room with some sound-absorbing material will do the trick. You don't need a professional studio, just a space where you can control the acoustics. Finally, you'll need some recording software. This is where you'll capture and edit your voiceovers. There are plenty of free and affordable options available online. Programs like Audacity, GarageBand, and even some mobile apps can get you started without breaking the bank. With these essentials, you'll be well on your way to creating professional quality voiceovers from the comfort of your own home. Section 4. Where the gigs are. Platforms for finding voiceover work. So, you've got the skills and the setup. You've honed your voice, perfected your technique, and invested in quality equipment. Now, where do you find the work? The search for voiceover gigs can be daunting, but there are plenty of platforms to explore. The internet, my friend, is your oyster. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find entry-level gigs. These platforms allow you to create a profile, showcase your skills, and bid on projects. Websites like Voices.com and Bunny Studio specialize in voiceover work. They cater specifically to voiceover artists and offer a wide range of projects, from commercials to audiobooks. These platforms not only provide job opportunities but also help you build a portfolio and gain experience. Don't be afraid to reach out to local businesses directly. Networking can be incredibly valuable. You'd be surprised how many need voiceovers for commercials or explainer videos. Building relationships with local businesses can lead to repeat work and referrals. Section 5. Marketing your voice, standing out in a crowded market. Here's the thing, voiceover work is competitive. You need to market yourself effectively. Start by creating a professional online presence. Build a website or portfolio showcasing your work. Get on social media and engage with potential clients. Networking is key. Attend industry events or join online forums. And don't forget the power of word of mouth. Tell everyone you know about your voiceover services. Section 6. Building your portfolio, gaining experience and confidence. When you're starting out, building a portfolio can seem daunting. But here's the secret. You don't need paid gigs to create samples. Offer your services for free or at a discounted rate to gain experience and build your portfolio. Volunteer to do voiceovers for local charities or nonprofit organizations. The more you work, the better you'll become, and the more confident you'll sound.